Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your acrylic handrail kit step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit includes handrail brackets, an Allen key, grub screws, set screws, and acrylic tubes. Start by marking the wall at regular intervals along the length of the stairs. Make sure each mark is vertical to the pitch line. The recommended minimum height is 34 inches from the pitch line. Next, position the brackets on the wall to decide the final height and placement. Once you're happy with the positioning, drill holes at the marked spots. Place the brackets back and attach them loosely using a single screw. Now, carefully slide the acrylic tube into the brackets, then gently peel off the protective film. Once everything looks aligned, tighten the screws to secure the brackets to the wall. Finally, fasten the tube to the brackets using the provided grub screws and Allen key. The steps to mark the handrail height and drill the holes are the same as in Part A. To connect two tubes, use a joining bracket. Insert the ends of both tubes halfway into the bracket. This hides the seam between the tubes under the bracket. Once you've finalized the placement, secure the tubes with the grub screws on the brackets. Then, tighten the set screws to fix the brackets firmly to the wall. And that's it! Your acrylic handrail is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, your installation is complete.